Presenting a Google Slides file on the TrueTouch display functions much the same as a PowerPoint file. First, select the file you'd like to present. Then, go up to the Present drop-down menu and select Present from Beginning. Now, you can advance the slides using the arrow tools in Google Slides. To call them up, tap the lower left edge of the screen and click the Advance arrow. To go back, click the back arrow. You can also use the TrueTouch remote control to advance the slides. Click the Advance button and the back button. And that's how you present Google Slides on the TrueTouch display.